Alright, so I just wanted to do a quick video on lithops. What I'm going to try is I pulled this one off because it was getting leggy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to cut this in half, and then I'm going to plant it in some soil, and we're going to see if both sides will grow or if one or both sides die. Let's see what we can get done. See if I can get it positioned where I can have the camera on it while I'm cutting it. That should work. So we're going to go right down the middle, try and cut it nice and clean as quick as I can. Alright, and then we're going to let that scab over for about an hour so we don't have to worry about anything adversely affecting it before we get it starting to root. And we'll be back in an hour and we'll see what happens. Alright, so here we are back after an hour. Now, again, this is just an experiment. I've never tried this, so hopefully it'll work. And if it does, then you guys know a way to double your lithops pretty quick. So let's set this camera back up. And I'm just going to do what I do with all of my succulents. I just have a little solo cup that's clear. I got some soil in there. I'm going to go ahead and spray some water in there just to moisten it a little bit. Alright, you don't need a whole lot because this is similar to a cactus, so it's not going to be highly water dependent. And to give it the maximum potential to grow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this whole cut side down onto the soil. That'll give like the maximum opportunity for it to sprout some roots there. And we're going to hope that works. And then, like I said, that's giving maximum surface area touching the dirt, so hopefully we'll see something out of that. Kind of looks like little horns. And then to finish it off, we're just going to do the little ghetto greenhouse here. I just got a regular sandwich bag, and we're just going to plop that right over the top. And that'll help hold the little bit of moisture that's in there in the cup. And if you want, you can put some holes in there for a little bit of ventilation. Because I'm in southern Utah, it's really, really dry, so I'm not going to do that. Because otherwise I would still have to water this thing like every single day. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is every 2 or 3 days I'm going to go ahead and spritz just a little bit of water over the top, just so it stays moist until I start seeing growth or death, you know, whichever comes first. Again, this is an experiment, so we'll do it together. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, go ahead and leave comments. If you want to see something else, let me know. And hope to see you in a couple weeks when we got some results for this. Later.